Okay, now let's practice this deployment of exam, how to deploy an exam. Then we have created the exam, but it's not deployed. How to deploy the exam? We have assessment, it is already there. I have a content area here. It's already created by eLearning DeanSheet for you. I click on assessment. I have to type assignment and test. Then I will click on test. In this content area, I have this menu assessment. Then you will deploy a test here in this content area inside. You can select the test from this menu. This is my test that I already created, final 452, and then click on submit. I will deploy this test now. Okay. Now you have the test options. You have to fill in all the test options that we have already explored here in the presentation. We already have the exam description. I will not change it. I have the exam instructions also. I will not change it. This is a test. Okay, you can show the test description to student before they begin the test. Yes, why not? Show instructor before they begin the test. Yes. And if you wish, open test in new window. Yeah, why not? I will open the test in new window. And make available to student. Yes, you should make it available to student. Otherwise, he will not able to see it. Add announcement for this test. Yes, I will add announcement for this test. Yes. And multiple attempt? No. I will not select multiple attempts. It will be only one attempt. Forced completion? No, I will not go for forced completion. I will not check this option. Set timer, yes, I will set the timer. Yes. Well, for example, 60 minutes, or it depends what is the duration for your exam. You will put here in minutes. And auto submit, yes, on. Okay. When it's off, the user is given the option to continue after the time expires. Okay. If it is on, test will save and submit automatically when time expires. Now, display after and display until. Yes. I will not show the exam before the date of the exam. Yes. Then I have to give here. For example, my exam here, it could be tomorrow. Okay. Then I will go for 29 on Monday. And you have to fix the time. What time is it? Okay. After what time it should be appear. And it will be displayed until maybe the same day, 29. When the time expire after 1 hour or 2 hours, it will not be here. Okay. Then after 2 hours, it will disappear. The link will disappear. Okay. 8 a.m. It will disappear. I will give a password. Yes, I will give a password. Where is the... It should be here. Required passport. Yes. Where is the password? Yes, I will put the password here. I will put a letter, one letter, an H, and okay. Test availability exception. Select add user or group to search for course users or the groups to add to the exception list. Timer and force completion must be enabled in the previous test availability step to enable those settings for exceptions. If you choose to use a group, you must make the group unavailable if you do not want student or participant to see group member. Select remove all exceptions to delete all exception for the test. Note, if you add an exception to a test, the current released conditions are removed, which might impact student or participant who are not part of the exception. If you have exception requirement, create new rules within the adaptive release settings. You can only give an example for a group, yeah, or a specific student. Okay, you can specify here. I want for student 5 only. This exam only for user student 5. And single attempt and only for student 5. Then other student will not be able for this attempt. Okay, I will cancel it, this exception. Okay. Now, due date, I will not put a due date. It's not important since I have put the availability dates here. Okay, it's not important the due date here. And include this test in Grade Center? Yes. Yes. Now, let's move to show test result and feedback to students. Yes. After submission, you have this. You have after submission, on time review, on specific date, after due date, after availability end date, after attempt are graded. Okay. After attempt are graded. Score per question. Do you want the score per question? Maybe you will, I will not check it. Okay. Then the result will appear after all attempts are graded. Now, and all at once, it means present the entire test on one screen, or one at a time, yes, and you can prohibit backtracking if you wish. Randomize questions, yes, randomize the questions. These are all the test options. Then at the end, you click on submit. Okay, the end time cannot be. Okay, sorry. It should be PM. Okay. Correct, guys. Okay. And submit. Okay. With this, it's not available. Now it's hidden from the student. As you can see, it's not available. Okay, now I need to test that, but I will make it available. Then item is hidden from student. It will be available after this time. Okay, it's still hidden. Then I have to remove this. I will edit the test again. Not this one, sorry. Assessment, test, edit test options. Okay, now I will go back for the time restriction. I will not pay any time restriction. Okay, I will click on submit. Now it's available. Now I will come back as a student and try to practice the test. Okay, let's do it after the break. We need to take a break now. Since we need time to test all this, we have 15 questions, then it will take time. And okay, any question now for deploying the test? Otherwise, we will go for a break till 7:05.